How you guys doing? This is your boy Sparrow with 100% Crypto. I hope everybody's having a blessed weekend. As you can see right now, I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart. We're on the daily chart, meaning each candlestick represents 1 day of time frame. We are in this symmetrical triangle right here that we are at the bottom end of. We are at the end of the triangle, though. As you can see, we're about 80% away through the symmetrical triangle, and symmetrical triangles can break to the upside or to the downside. If you look down here at Market Cipher B, which I've been using lately, it's actually a program. I'll do a video on this later. It's a very good little thing. It throws a few different indicators in one and just makes it a lot easier, especially for more newer people into the market. But anyway, if you look at the stochastic RSI, you can see that the RSI is really, really, really down here at the bottom. It's underneath of the 30 line. So you can see that, it's definitely doesn't have too much more room to fall, but it can fall a little more. As the MACD, you can see we're in the red here, but usually when you're at the point like this, you'll start to come back up. Like you see these points here, you'll get in the red, you'll come back up, and you'll get into the green. Usually you'll want to sell up here at the top points of these, and when you're all the way up in the green like this, and then buy when you're all the way at the bottom, the big red, you can see them start to come back into these shades of white, showing that it's coming back to the upside from red back to green. Now, as far as the symmetrical triangle goes, if we break to the downside, we do have different levels of support. I honestly think $58,000 is, I know it's a very strong level. And, I see that holding unless we have some a major shake off or a major sell off to try to shake some of this leverage out the market, or maybe just a little turnaround to cool the market down a little bit. I mean, we could go all the way back down to $50,000, guys, and really still keep in this major overall trend. I mean, really, you can see we could fall all the way back down to here and be right back at 51,000 and still be in an upward bullish movement. So don't think it's over just because we start to come down, if we start to come down, or we could just keep pushing on up and push on right through this. It is the weekend, guys, so you know how that is. Weekends are highly volatile. I would definitely be sitting on my hands at this second with Bitcoin, and I would be looking for my next trade. I would be waiting for this to definitely close above or below these trend lines here. Above, obviously, up here around $63,400 would be a breakout, and a breakdown would be about $60,400. And unfortunately, we're very close to the breakdown right now. If we do break down, like I said, $58,000 will be the next level, and then we'll have to go from there depending on what the market shows us. As far as right now, guys, you can see ever since we hit the all-time high here on the 20th of October, we have pretty much just been consolidating sideways in this symmetrical triangle. We're really just waiting for the breakout from that. After the breakout from that, we can go from there, with more charting. But, what I do want to say here is, even if we do have a period here where we cool down a little bit, where we start to come down here, and even if we fell all the way back down towards this trend line, just look at that as a buying opportunity. Look at that as this opportunity, just like you would at this opportunity right here when we pulled all the way back down. And that would have been a beautiful time to buy. We pulled back down all the way down to $39,000 and shot all the way back up to the $67,000 all-time high in less than a month. So you guys got to understand there's lots of potential with this market to make money. There's lots of, I'm not going to lie, I'm not a Bitcoin maximist. I'm an altcoin degen. So, there's lots of other coins I'm going to want to call out here for you guys. I'm just starting with my channel. I want to build my community. I want to give you guys leads on coins, on things that are coming out, and on ways to make money. I don't want to make this too long, so I'll just wrap it up. I'll see you guys next video. This is Sparrow with 100% Crypto, and everybody stay blessed and continue making that money.